This is amazing. So not too long ago, pretty much 20 hours ago, we just got an update from Anthropic. We got the Claude 3.5 Sonnet update, and then we got 3.5 Haiku. So here we got all the stats. I'm not gonna waste your time going through all this, so you can go through yourself. I'll put the link in the description. But the cool part of this, what's actually great, is that they got navigate through computers. So basically, they made an agent that can take action. So you just tell it to do something, and it will do it for you. We'll click, and then we'll write and read. So basically, what we did in the last video through voice with the OpenAI API key, we can do this to text. So imagine from now on, this is just the beginning. So we're gonna connect this to a voice model, where we're just gonna use OpenAI as the interface of this backend, or probably Anthropic is gonna come with a voice feature as well. So you can actually talk to your agent and then do tasks for you. So let's see how this works. This is pretty cool. So let's just give it some easy tasks to understand how it actually works. To look for weather, you can do it yourself. That'll be very easy. But the fact that you can actually delegate someone to do that for you, that's the great thing. So this is in real time. I'm not gonna speed up here. I just want you to see how long it's taking to the model to actually answer and do the task. This computer is not my computer, it's a virtual computer. So basically, it's like a workspace. It has a designated workspace, so it doesn't mess up with your computer, because it's in beta at the moment. It's the first version. So the first version always has a lot of bugs and stuff that needs to be fixed. So I don't recommend using it on your computer for now, unless you know what you're doing. All right, so let's say save that in place. So now, instead of going save the weather and just make a plan. So if you make a plan to go somewhere or to do something, and then you just need the list of days, where you're going, how you're heading, what's the weather like, the hotel logins and all that stuff, checkings, and then you put them on a spreadsheet. You can ask it to do that. The theory is just amazing. The fact that it can do things like this is even better. So imagine you wake up in the morning, listen to the news, and then delegate the AI to do some of your mundane tasks. So I check the email, answer the email, craft this, craft that, do this, do that, and then we'll actually do it for you without you searching the web and checking the emails and stuff like that. I think it's pretty cool. And then why I like the idea, this model is actually cheaper to run than a real-time voice agent. So as I said last time, we got through the pricing. I didn't really have time. Just got excited about this, and I wanted to share this with you. But it was about $200 that I spent on development and testing and making the video for the real-time API from OpenAI. So I think it's a bit pricey for what it is. But look at this. This is actually amazing. It's very slow, but we're paying cents for this. So imagining having this at scale, he knows you delegate to do a lot of stuff. So he can say 5 o'clock in the morning, you start doing this, and then he actually does it on your computer, on the spot. And save the documents, go through documents and stuff like that. I think it's crazy. Sunny, it's very sunny. Now it's saving the document, and voila, here you go. I think it's crazy. I like it. Now we got 96 cents. So let's give it a task and see how much of that will take. So we got some rate limits. Let's see. So we got 1 million tokens per day and 40 tokens per minute. So to change the limit, we probably need to spend some money. So from 96 cents, we got 73 cents. So 23 cents for what? So 23 cents for writing the code, creating the file. So plan, create the file, write the file. That's not bad. That's very good. All right, so we got everything in place. So this is just the beginning of the agents that you will give them tasks, and then we'll create a plan and act on it. Look forward for the voice interaction, because I think that will be the future. Just talking to your agent and do tasks for you. It's actually happening right now. but I wanted to see what Anthropic will come up with. Keep learning, and I will see you next time.